Hi everybody, I am here to give you an update on my adventures of gardening, growing my own food. And first, let me say, please excuse how I look. I look terrible. Been under the weather for about a week now, and coughing and sneezing and just feeling rotten. I got bags under my eyes. I'm just a mess, but you know, this is real life, baby. It is what it is, and what can I do? Nothing. But just wanted to give you an update on my upcoming adventure. Hope you like it. Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on my previous post about starting to grow my own food. And you have to excuse me, I'm still kind of sounding crazy and coughing and stuff, but I'm very serious about this. So I just came from the store, and what I did was I picked up some of things I'm gonna need to get started in the house. Excuse me. So of course I got my little watering container. I got my potting mix because I'm gonna start the plants inside the house. And the first two, I only bought two today. I wasn't really prepared to get everything that I needed because I just didn't know what they had. I tried going online to see if that was telling me what was in the store, but you just have to go in to the store and see actually what's there. So this is the pot that I'm going to start the two different types of lettuce that I did buy today. So I'm going to start with this is a Butter Crunch Bib lettuce, and then this is just your basic green leaf romaine lettuce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up having, I'm going to start out with 12 of these containers, these pots. And in each pot, I'm going to put 3 different types of lettuce. I'm going to do 3 pots of this one, and then also a red leaf romaine. And then in another 3 pots, I'm going to do my spinach, 3 different types of spinach. I have 2 planters, 2 rectangular planters that are being built. And in those are going to go my cucumbers and my Flavor Bomb tomatoes. So I will keep you all posted on the progress of this, but I'm very serious. What I'm actually hoping for, not only to cut down on my grocery bill, but also I'm hoping that growing some of my own food will be a sort of medicine in itself, medicinal, to maybe help with my sinus issues, because what I did this past week, which actually worked, and I knew that it was going to take about 4 days, but I made my own little concoction with the hot toddy and fresh garlic cloves, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and what I did every single day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, is I sipped on that concoction for 4 days. And on that 4th day, I felt 100% better. I didn't sound any better, but my body felt better, and the congestion and all it actually started to move and come out, and has been coming out ever since. So I'm just really trying to dig into being a lot more organic with what I'm putting in my body. I'm not going to be able to change everything. I don't want to change everything, but the things that I can change, I definitely want to make an attempt to do that. And this is actually, I think, is going to be fun for me. It's, I like creating stuff, growing stuff. So I think I'm gonna enjoy this, and it's going to be beneficial for myself and for my daughter. So stay tuned, and I will let you know how things go, and I'll kind of take some video and show you the progress, and maybe you'll be inspired to do the same thing.